Now let's look at how to solve some more complicated area problems. Here the question says, two 2-meter wide streets cross at a right angle in a lawn which is 16 meters long and 8 meters wide. Now the lawn is divided into 4 identical pieces. What is the area of each piece of the lawn? The first thing we're going to want to do here is draw a diagram. It's going to be a lot easier to understand this problem when we can see what's really going on. So I'm going to start off by saying that the entire lawn was 16 meters long by 8 meters wide. So I'm going to do this is going to be 8 meters by 16 meters. I'm just going to draw a rectangle here, and that's going to be our whole lawn. Now, we have two 2-meter wide streets that cross at a right angle in the lawn. So I'm going to have one street that comes down like this, right in the middle of my 16, and that's going to be 2 meters in length here. That's what this length is going to be. And then again across here, I'm going to draw another road that's going right through. And that again is going to be 2 meters. Now, our 4 different pieces of lawn are these right here. We have 4 separate pieces here. If I wanted to figure out what the area of one of those pieces was, I'm going to have to do a couple calculations. I'm going to start off by trying to figure out what this length would be. What would this length right here for one of these squares be? I know that the entire length was 16. And I know that I definitely took 2 meters right out of that. So I'm going to subtract 2 from my 16 and find that now the total minus the part where the road is going to be 14 meters. And since I have 2 even parts, I'm going to divide that 14 by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7 meters. So this length right here is 7 meters. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side to figure out what my width would be. I started off with 8 meters, and I subtracted 2 from my road, which gives me 6 meters. And then I'm going to divide that by 2 because I have this one here and I have the one that I'm looking at. And they're even. They're both going to be the same size. So I'm going to divide my 6 right in half, and I'm going to get 3 meters. Now, if I know that each of my rectangles is 7 by 3, I'm going to multiply 7 meters times 3 meters to find that each one has an area of 21 meters squared. So the area of each piece of lawn is 21 meters squared.